How to change default board labels on monday.com. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to change the labels of your boards or the default labels like these. They are going to be named board or something like that. And then how we can put it or customize for our, let's say here, own nomination or label. So we are going to head over to monday.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to find, as you can see here, this dashboard. We're going to head over the right side of the screen at the top or the header of the platform, click on the name of your account, and we're going to head over the administration. Now, once we are here, we're going to head over something called customization. We're going to extend the menu here, click on boards, and then you're going to find set boards default. Sort and rename default board labels. So as you can see here, we have some of the set up the columns. This is going to be for the existing columns. You can go ahead and add, for example, these labels for, this is, I think, the status. This is, yes, the status, as you can see, column. So we are going basically here to change the label of it to something else. Like here we have done but need advisor, for example, or need to be checked, like that, and you're going to be just putting it like that. So we are going to change the status in here to something else. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.